In the previous demonstration, I was focused on the Raspberry Pi, the storage of the information into SQLite, and the pushing to Power BI. Now I will show you the way I choose in order to schedule all the jobs, and I used for that Airflow. So basically, let me first show you Crontab. So if I'm again on my Raspberry Pi, and in Raspberry you can use a software called Crontab in order to schedule some jobs. Crontab. If you want to view the list of the different jobs scheduled, you can do -L to get the list. And basically, here you see some asterisk. Each asterisk corresponds to something. The first one is the minute. Second one is the hour. The day of month, the month number, and the day of week. So in the previous demonstration, I was focused on the way to connect Raspberry, the way to store and to collect the information from the smart meter to a database, and how to push the information to Power BI. Now, the idea is to show you the way I choose in order to schedule the different Python codes. And to do that, I use Airflow. Before I show you Airflow, I have to show you a tool called Crontab, because in the beginning I used that, and it was also super interesting. So Crontab, so I installed Crontab on my Raspberry. To view the list of the jobs already scheduled, I can type Crontab -L. Basically, here you see in the bottom the list of the jobs already scheduled. There are shell scripts, but you can also schedule Python script directly. In the beginning, you have asterisk, and each asterisk corresponds to something. The first one corresponds to the minute, then we have the hour, the day of month, and the day of week. If you specify */1, that means execute every minute. If you specify just, let's say, 1 ****, it will correspond to every first minute of each hour, of each day, of each week, of each month. Okay. So it works like this. Okay. So in the beginning I used that, but well, it was not so. It was very practical, but sometimes you need to visualize physically what you are doing, and here it was not so obvious to visualize it. That's why I choose a software called Airflow. So Airflow is a web user interface which allows you to schedule and to monitor the different jobs. So my jobs are here. The jobs in Airflow are called the DAGs. Here it's very practical because you can see if the jobs were run successfully or not, and how many times they have been run. You see here the schedule, which corresponds basically to what I have put on Crontab. You see the last run, the next run, and also you have a possibility, when you click here, you can execute it on demand. What you can do also, you have a possibility to visualize what you have within your DAG. For example, here, you click and you see if the jobs were successful or not, how much time did it take to execute the job. You have a possibility to view the different jobs with different colors, and you can put some dependents, execute that code only if this one and this one were successful, for example. You can see the code used to create the DAG, and you can also see the different logs. So nice user interface, easy to use, and here it's very practical if you want to execute on demand and to monitor the different jobs. You have a kind of traceability of your executions.